Cardinal Fang! Fetch the comfy chair.
Yes, that's right. Pull up your comfy chair, grab a coffee, sit down and watch.
During the meanwhilest...
No.
Well, hello, it's Dexter and me with a very short today, which is why I'm padding this out. No, a very short Tech Tuesday. When I bought my GFX100 6-7 months ago now, one of the reasons I went for it over the 100S was there was an accessory that I wanted which would make operating the camera for me and for other people with, you know, limited mobility a lot easier, and that is this thing here. This come on, there we go. I can take the viewfinder off as well. This EVF TL1. It's a tilt. It tilts and rotating, because it rotates, adapter for the GFX100's viewfinder. So what it enables me to do then is have the viewfinder angled up if I want to shoot at, you know, waist level or even lower down to the ground, and to rotate it if it's awkward to, like, say, get to a position behind the camera. Now the reason I wanted this, even though the tilt screen on the GFX100 is excellent, in bright sunlight, sometimes, you know, you're going to struggle to see it, and also my mince pies ain't what they used to be. So it's I find it a lot easier to compose and focus and to review my images through the viewfinder rather than the rear screen, and then I'm to rely on wearing glasses because I'm a little bit vain and I don't like wearing them. I'll show you why. I look utterly ridiculous with them on. There you go. I look like some sort of, I don't know, deranged geography teacher. So, nothing against geography teachers, you understand. It was my favourite subject in school, geography. I loved it. But no, so this EVF TL1 tilt adapter really is a great help. If I want to shoot subjects lower to the ground, or if I want to sit down, you know, and shoot stuff, or if conditions are bright, then it's now, with its addition of this little adapter, a hell of a lot easier to to use my camera. It's also usable with the GFX50S, but only the first generation, I think, not the second one. So yeah, there's only two Fuji cameras that you can use it with. That's about all there is to say about it, really. It's other than its price. One reason I didn't get, or the main reason I didn't get this adapter at the time of purchasing my camera was its cost. I was waiting for one to come up on the second-hand market, and I just recently got this one from my usual second-hand marketplace, MPB, here in the UK, but it was still over £300. £300 for... Alright, admittedly it's a very, very well-engineered piece of kit. You know, you can lock it out in various positions, and of course it's got, you know, full-on electrical contacts for the EVF. But, you know, all the same, over £300. A lot of money. But what price? What price my back, you know, and my mobility? That's what I say. And you know, I don't do anything else. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't take any recreational drugs. So this is what I spend my money on. Well, listen, you know, Dexter's vet's bills. No. Yeah, so, you know, this is my enjoyment in life. Like I said, I'm not a social animal, so yeah, there we are. Right, that is it for this extremely rapid Tech Tuesday. Let me know in the comments below, what's the most extravagant or expensive accessory you've bought for your camera kit? You know, that'd be quite interesting. That'd be quite an interesting thing for me as a nosy Parker, and you know, perhaps other people watching this video, a nice thing to share with them. So so let us know. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. As usual, stay safe, stay well, look after yourselves, your loved ones, and your lovely, lovely, glorious pets, and be nice. Be nice, and be nice to your partner as well, and then he or she will let you buy things like that. I haven't told her yet. Right then, see you all very soon. Bye bye.